I have been working on a lot of IEMs, but this is something really unique. I have worked on multi BA IEMs, multi hybrid IEMs, but this is something special. You guys can see this IEM has 5 dynamic drivers on each side. I have worked on dual DD IEMs, dual DD hybrid IEMs, and the Panon serial had 3 dynamic drivers. I have not worked on the Quattro or anything like that, but this has the highest number of dynamic drivers in an earphone. 10 dynamic drivers. They are just slightly trying to boast. They have used 5 on each side, so it is 10. They are not wrong, but it is not exactly the right way to illustrate the number of drivers because that might be misleading. If we look at the specification, let me take off this packaging plastic. We are looking at a very good sensitivity, if I'm not wrong. 5, is it the impedance 12 ohm? I'm not exactly sure. I'm not able to read that, but it looks like it is the impedance of this IEM 12 ohm. So it is fairly easy to drive in any case. This one has 4.4 mm termination, 7 Hz, 10 dynamic drivers. The package looks slightly heavy. This is not my first 7 Hz IEM. Thanks to Pritam Bhai, I have already worked on the 7 Hz Timeless, but that was a planar based IEM. This is a DD based IEM, multi DD IEM. I'm not exactly excited about the set of accessories because this one is priced at $150, and we usually do not see high quality accessories at this price, but it seems this one has a very unique kind of case here. Very beautiful, to be precise. It looks like we are getting a wow. Now this is rubber. This is proper rubber case. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. This is unique. No doubts about that. Some filters you guys can see, and we have a few tips here. Tips, let's take them out. Nice, nice. Spin fit like ear tips we are getting. I'm really liking this kind of design, this bucket kind of design. They look nice. Let me put them aside. Let's have a look at the IEM here. Why the brand is so confident that this is a good way to put the earphone in the box? I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, they have done that. So we are looking at a very good looking IEM at this point of time, but it's slightly on the bigger side, yet very lightweight. Slightly on the bigger side, not as big as the Hidis IEMs MP143 and 145, but this one is fairly big. You can nearly see all the drivers. One driver is under the nozzle, so yep, kind of you can, yeah, in this angle you can nearly see all the drivers, and the bows too. There are a few bows in this IEM, and it looks very good, very good. No questions about that. It looks nice. I like this kind of designs. So this semi transparent kind of designs, I like those kind of designs. Let me take this off and we will look at the cable next. This one looks nice. I'm liking all the stuff that I'm getting with this IEM, and as I said, this one is a bit on the larger side, but here we go. It's a fairly good looking flat cable, and you guys can see there is a bit of memory or maybe flex issue. No, not much memory, and it is not heavy either. So this one, it looks nice. 4.4 mm 2 pin cable, and Very good cable. Impression follows. Impression within this video. Here I am with the initial impression of 7 Hz 5. 2024 has been a very exciting year for us audiophiles. We are experiencing a lot of variety in IEMs, and this is one trend that has taken off after the pen and serial, I would like to believe, because serial had three dynamic drivers, and this year we are seeing a lot of multi DD IEMs. Okay, we have been experiencing dual DD hybrid IEMs, but these multi DD IEMs have caught fire this year. And I would like to believe that when it comes to mainstream IEMs, 7 Hz 5 has the highest number of dynamic drivers in each earpiece. This one has 5 in each, and after having 5 dynamic drivers, not being able to deliver high quality bass head level bass will be criminal. And not to our surprise, 7 Hz 5 is not committing any crimes here. It is a proper bass head, bass friendly, bassy IM at just $150. Okay, if we look at the build quality, I'm impressed. This one does not look bad at all, and you guys can see all the drivers here. You guys can see, yes, 4 here and 1 here, so yeah, 5 drivers. And if we look at the design and stuff, this one is okay, not great with the design. Shell is slightly on the larger side, but if you look at the depth and stuff, this one is very comfortable inside the ears, and I'm loving these tips. These bucket style tips are very comfortable and very supple. You guys can see, very comfortable, and no issues with fit at all. It has very good stability inside the ear. I was not struggling with fit or anything like that. And if we talk about the cable, this one is a very good looking cable. We are getting a 4.4 mm termination too, so good looking, good sounding, very well built cable. But how is the sound quality, to be exact? So in my initial impression, I will say that I'm impressed. This one is a very good sounding bassy W shaped eye. What I was not very happy with the ISN Neo 5 was the lack of technical abilities, and extra bit of transparency and clarity with the Neo 5 was subpar. Okay, it was good, it was smoother, but that is not exactly great when you want good amount of resolution, definition, and technicalities. The transparency was just okay. But the good thing about the 7 Hz 5 is that it has very good transparency. It has very good clarity across the spectrum. And one great thing about the bass is that it's not mindlessly bassy. With the Neo 5 2, which was nearly twice as expensive as the 5, was a bit on the slower, slightly woolly, but the 5 is very good when it comes to control. It can be heavy, it is heavy in most scenarios, but when there is no softness, no extra bit of softness to the note, it is very tight, very clean, and very layered, very detailed. Its technical ability is superior to most of the base head IEMs under, I will even go on to say, $500. So what makes this stand out is its technical abilities, even with the bass. If we talk about the mid-range and treble, it has very good clarity, very good finishing, definition, and resolution. It is not exceptionally great with the micro details, but when I compare this with something like FIO FD15, this one is miles ahead when it comes to treble definition and clarity. Superb definition, very good clarity, very good note height, and very big stage too. So what 7 Hz has done is make a very well tuned bass head IM. It is not lacking definition at all, with very good clarity, I will say that this one is slightly warm, but it is not a very warm sounding IM either. So yes, Seven Hers might have a winner in their hand. It's a base head, technically capable, W shaped IM that has a big stage and very good sonics for just $150. And we get very good set of accessories too. If you look at the case too, this is fairly premium in my opinion. If we talk about anything else, this one looks very different and unique to me. I'm not exactly sure what you think about this, but this is very unique to me. I'm liking this. This is interesting. So this is it. This is my initial impression and unboxing of the 7 Hours 5. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.